Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another hopefully quick video this time. We're doing the fuel filter, and this is one of the easiest jobs anyone could do to their cars. As you can see, you're going to need your jack stands and the jack, floor jack they call it, and some basic tools, flathead screwdriver, and I just have them out just in case. So I'll just go ahead there, I'll show you, and of course your new filter, and then after taking the old filter out, which I'll show you there in a second how I have done that. What I have here is, first of all, I've taken off the cover. I'll show you there. So this cover, it sits around on these. You will have 3 bolts. There could be 1 screw. So what do we have here is the fuel filter or petrol filter location. It's the left rear passenger, and it's underneath the car, of course, and this is where the fuel filter sits, under this clamp, which is clamped to the body of the car. And this is your inline, which goes into the filter, and the fuel is coming into this from the fuel pump and the fuel tank, and goes through the filter here and goes it should be very easy to tell, and you have to make sure that you go in the right direction, put the filter in the right direction. So it's very easy to tell the fuel line going into the engine, you can see there. So, and it's also a good idea, it's recommended to take off, turn the ignition on, start the car, and take out the fuse 11 while the car is running, so it will take off all the pressure from these lines, and you won't have a lot of oil coming out. And also take out the negative terminal of the battery, just to be on the safe side as you're working with the fuel. And I will put the new filter on off camera, hopefully easy enough, and I'll get back to you with the results. I have the fuel filter installed. As you can see, I actually ended up changing the 2 fuel hoses which go in. This one was the culprit because it started leaking oil as soon as I installed the filter, so it's running perfect. And I'll try to leave the part numbers in the description. Thanks very much for watching, and subscribe for more videos to come, and I'll see you soon.